Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a fashion product photo on an AI model using a free online try-on tool. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your browser and then search for Pic Copilot AI like this. And then just click on the link. And next, just log in with your Google account. And then just go to Tools. And then just choose Virtual Try-on. And then in here you can choose clothing types like tops, bottoms, or even one pieces. And then just upload your clothing designs. And next, to open the more feature, just click on here. And here you can choose your model. You can use a AI model that available in this tool, or just upload your own AI model. And on the AI model that available in this tool, you can use filter options to find the style that you want, like this. And then you can even choose until for model. And once everything is set, just click on create now. And like this, you will get two AI results like this. Just pick the one that you like best. And then you can even turn the photo into a short video with one click. Just click on create stunning model videos, this one. Just click on it. And then just choose your reels templates. You can also choose the ratio that you want. And after that, just click on create now. Like this, you will get a result. And then just choose one that you like. You can try to play the video. Yeah. Yeah. Like this. And even it has a music to make your video more interesting. And okay, maybe that's it. It's super easy and totally free. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.